here we go. Did I punch him hard enough? What they fail to realize is I wasn't gonna let this one go. I got it. That's why they call me. Here we are, guys. Let's see what this gun safe's got in it. Oh my God, the door's open. Sorry. Oh man. Wow. This is the gun safe unit. We will look for the key and see if we can find it. And then we'll see what's in there. In the meantime, I got this glider. Alright. It ain't worth a whole lot, but you know what? We can sell that. So stay all the way to the end and we'll see. This gun safe's worth $200. We know that much. Now what's in it? Ooh. What do you think? Well, I don't know how many of you guys are Storage Wars fans, but normally I'm the Barry Weiss of storage auctions. Today I'm the Daryl the Gambler. I bid $800 on this locker because of this gun safe. I'm going to show you later what's in there, but I have to find the key or I'm going to have to crack the lock. Those locks can be replaced. That's a $200 safe. What's in it? I'll show you here in a little while. But first thing I rolled out of here is these blankets. And wouldn't you know it, there was some jewelry at the bottom. And this little 10-karat gold bracelet. Yeah. Not a whole lot there, but I'd say that's a nice little chunk. There's the acid test on this that we found today. 5 minutes in, hadn't even touched it, so. Grams. 4.1 grams. But that's already a little bit of money back. A little bit of gold jewelry. Didn't expect that. All right, guys. I showed you the jewelry that I found in here. This is pretty exciting because I just found a 10-karat. Yeah. Wow, that's a 10-karat gold band. That was in there as well. Look at that. Look at that. That's beautiful. I'm glad I checked the bottom. I'm going to go through that again. I'm going to check the diamonds in this ring that we just found today in the gun safe unit. That's good. All these are diamonds. Okay. Okay. Diamond gold ring. I've got a guy in the jewelry business that'll be glad to appraise this for me with all the money I've spent in their place. What a nice hit. Now stay tuned. We've got to find out what's in the gun safe. I can tell there's something in there. So we're just going to have to try to figure out how we're going to get it open. That's a sweet little score right there, guys. 2 pieces of gold. Now, I wonder what's in the safe. You're going to have to wait to the end of the video because that's what YouTubers do. They make you wait to the end. I'm going to make you wait. Don't you love me? Wow, I'm excited. Gun safe and gold. Wow. Generally speaking, when you find some gold, Then you find a little bit more. There could be more. All right, I gotta go through all these folded clothes and make sure there's nothing mixed in here. Okay, yeah, these are all clothes. We've struck gold. Oh, Xbox 360. There's the hard drive. Xbox 360. Wow. Controllers. One thing I find a lot, I mean a lot in storage units, is video game stuff. Tons of it. Lucky for me, I have a guy that buys all this. Okay. Here is it's heavier than it should be. So there's something in here. What could it be? It's way too heavy. Wait a minute, there's a key. I wonder if that could go to the gun safe. Nope. It doesn't fit the gun safe. All right, what is in here that's so heavy? What in the hell is in here? Oh, it's in the back. Oh. Build-A-Bear Workshop. Cash, fuel card. 2. And a little cash. Social Security card, we'll leave that with them. Oh, wow. Money. That's why it was so heavy. Quarters, nickels, dimes, pennies, gold, guns. Dude. That's got $24 store credit on it. Okay. All right. Okay, well, you know what? We're going to find some more goodies in this unit. I can tell by the way they leave their change around. This is going to be good. All right. These are a nice pair of, if you like crazy colors. Check it out. This one might be interesting. Harry Potter. Another DVD, Harry Potter. Okay. This is it's a tablet. I don't know how much that, but 30, 40 bucks maybe. Maybe not, I don't know. What do we got here? Another tablet. Nice. Can't even get a brand name on this thing. And we'll look at it later. Okay. Okay, here's the power source to the Xbox. That's perfect. Putting that in with the Xbox, that's a nice one. Another tablet. See if it comes on. Nope, needs charging. So that's what, 4 tablets? What's in here? This could be good. Or crappy. So that could be. Here's another Harry Potter. And they're in there. More media, that's good. Wii. I got a little bit of hope there's a Wii in here. Maybe not in here, but in the locker. Thumb drives. Okay, all right. There you go. Brand new with tags. Nice. There you go. This crib and mattress, money. And a portable crib, money. The folks that lost this unit, they are going to be getting a check because with what I paid for the unit, it was a bit more than what their rent was. So they're going to get money and they won't have any debt. I paid their debt and they will get a check. So remember that. Well, I found a combination microwave and convection oven. 20 bucks. No big deal. All right, guys, I've pretty much gone through the stuff. I'm leaving them all their personal items. As you can see in the corner right here, I'm leaving them all this stuff. It's personal. There's some like special kids clothes I thought they might want back because very personalized. And this safe, I'm gonna take it home because I have to crack it open. And this will be the final segment of this video, so I'll close the video at home. I got to get this thing out there, got to get the van loaded, I got to go get my deposit back. And I'll be on this a few hours and I'll be relaxed by this evening, making video. And hopefully y'all enjoy this. Now tomorrow I'm looking to buy, oh, check this out. Some kid's gonna love this. Yeah, that'll sell. All that kind of stuff will sell. All right, so I'll see you back in the house in 1 second. All right, guys, the safe's here. As you can see, I'm getting ready for a live here. Got a couch, got another computer I need to get all put together. The wife ordered me an Ethernet cable that'll go from the house to back here, but here we've got a problem. Got this gun safe when there's obviously something about yay tall going back and forth in there. That tells me there's probably a gun in here. I can't guarantee it.
I couldn't find a key, so.
There's ammo with it. Clear it out. Yep. There it is. All right. All right. Okay, guys. In the top here, we got a bunch of Remington. There's 22s. Winchester. 22 Thunderbolts, long box of alright. Woo. Look at these. 30-30. Boy, I tell you what, this could have had a lot of guns in it. It had one. 22 scope. So I didn't do real well, but I took a chance, and there was one gun in there. Alright. We got it. hopefully I can manage to fix the safe and I can put another lock on it. So, and we got some ammo. Well, wait a minute. Let's see what else is in there. Got that. Okay, here we go. Here's some more 22s. Got a lot of, about 40 or 50 bucks worth of ammo too. Oh, more ammo. Yeah. That's the locking mechanism. I had to completely jack it up to get it out of there. And a nice shelf on the top. Alright. Alright, guys. So it wasn't full of guns, but it did have one. And it wasn't a total bust. The gold kind of made up a little bit. This was a fun unit. It had the mystery. Got to crack a safe. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I need you to subscribe down there if you want to. And looks like we're going live here soon, guys. I got Ethernet cord going to be delivered here in a few days. Got us that Xbox, all the ammo, the 22 scope. We're looking at about $1.50 on that. And with the ammo, another couple $100. This went from worth a couple $100 to maybe $50 if I can put another lock on it. I think I can get another lock on it. So I will see you going to public storage. I probably can say I went to public storage today because this will probably be up tomorrow night. So we'll see what else we come up with. Thanks, guys. I really enjoyed this video. When I see a gun unit, it's mine. It's just mine, or the price is going to be so stupid nobody will want it. So there it is. That's how you treasure hunt. You got to be willing to lose to win. That's my philosophy. So thanks for watching.